welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Kat.
I'm Pat, and we are the Drug Queens! We do makeup tutorials, reviews, and challenges.
And we're also all about drugstore and affordable beauty products. And speaking of drugstore products, in today's video, we're going to do a product review and first impression of
Korean BLK Cosmetics.
Yes. Recently,
Very recently,
they released a K-Beauty Starter Kit. Ta-da!
and it's so cute. If you want to know more about this starter kit, please keep on watching.
And keep watching until the end because we have a very funny surprise for you guys as always. Yay! So,
May nasa big box mo.
loot bag.
May nag-birthday bag. So, they produced K-Beauty Starter Kit, and for first 1,000 customers will be able to get a box. Packaging is so cute, girl. Pakita mo na sa kanila kung gano'n
So,
ka-cute.
binili namin siya, tapos nakaganto pa siya. Yes. And meron silang pinrovide na sa loob ng sticker.
Yes.
Siguro may
Saranghae.
Oo, may mga ganyan.
Saranghae, yes. Inclusive dun sa ating box is we have BB+CC cream. Okay, and then they also have yung liquid eyeshadow nila. Intense color. Okay. And then they also have the lip and cheek water tint. Meron din siyang nilabas ng mga lipstick, but yung inavail kasi namin yung sa loob ng starter kit.
And one box, itong buong box na ito, ay 997 pesos sets.
Yes. With the stickers and with the cute box, it's so affordable.
Now, let's proceed with reviewing each one.
Unahin na natin ang base. This is the BB+CC Cream Foundation.
Ganito siya kadami.
Ayan. Okay.
Okay, I have is yung for acidic people, like oxalates lang, which is light pink.
Anong color yung meron ka?
Ang kinuha ko is yung lightest, Ivory Beige. And it also comes with a brush.
Yes! Oh my gosh, yun ang pinaka-cutie dito. Like, meron siyang brush at the end. Sobrang cute. Ito siya. No?
Tingin sa kulay ko ba?
Tingnan mo. Hindi.
Kakulay mo siya, medyo yellowish siya.
Yellow undertone kasi siya. Ito may pagka-pink siya.
So for the Filipinas out there na K-beauty fan, maybe this would also work for you. Try it naman someone. Wow, the coverage is coverage. Try using the brush. Siguro kasi we're doing it like swirling.
Galing!
Ayan. What can you see?
Light to medium coverage talaga siya kasi may blemish siya sa corner. Hindi niya ganon natakpan.
Yung finish niya, medyo hindi matte.
Hindi matte. May pink.
Well, kasi K-beauty is
Yes,
not
yes.
matte. It's medyo dewy. Okay, next up is the eyeshadow. The liquid eyeshadow.
And ang claim intense color.
Okay, so let's swatch first. Okay. Ito ay yung Gorgeous.
And then I got the Hello. So it's a doe foot applicator. Wow! Para siyang lip gloss.
This one is Hello.
Wow!
Yung isa, mukha siyang chocolate. Ito, Gorgeous. Mukha siyang chocolate. Yung isa, brownie.
Here's using the soft tip wand. Apply the product on the upper eyelid and blend with your finger. You can also apply under the eye, applying as close to the lash line as possible.
So, isang swipe.
Grabe! Sobrang intense! this.
Matte yung finish niya in fairness. Close to the lash line. What could be kept?
Ganda din talaga siya for morenas. And I think I would buy more kasi parang isang swipe na lang. Dab, dab, dab lang. Now, moving on to the last product in the starting kit, and this is the cheek. So, I have is the cherry one.
And I have the pink one.
Yes. So, I guess, sa pagkakaalala ko, meron silang 4 to 5 shades.
And yung one niya, flat.
Very small amount of apples of your cheeks and quickly blend with your fingers. For a gradient lip, dab a small amount of this on your lips and blend outwards with your finger. Apply more full for a full lip.
Yung heart key.
Sobrang light lang yung pagkakalagay ko. And yet, color. There is color. Okay? Patay. Okay? Patay.
Pero kulangan naman sa thickness niya. So, ayun na. Nagbarka na siya. Nakikita niyo yung streaks, guys. Ayun o. 1, 2, 3. Aww. Okay, ano bang masasabi mo? Okay, you first.
For me, okay siya. Maganda siya actually sa totoo lang. Feeling ko hindi lang bagay yung color sa lips ko talaga. But, okay ako sa cheeks. So, feeling ko gagawin ko lang din for cheeks.
Ikaw ba? Okay, so sa blush on, for blush on, yun nga. Ang bilis niya magmarka. And then, for lips, yung last one you guys, I do not like it. Try mo. For the sake of you guys, we're going to taste it. We're going to step out for a while and then we're going to come back and give our final thoughts. And it's a yes or a no. Now for our final thoughts about it. So let's first start with the BLK Cosmetics BB+CC Cream Stick. So packaging, sobrang portable and hindi naman nalalaglag yung cap. So very okay siya sa mga pouches natin, mga makeup bags natin. And meron siyang brush, meron siyang foundation, and BB+CC cream na din siya. Light to medium coverage. One's a yes for both of us. Drug queens approved.
Yes, it's just 449 pesos. Okay, moving on to the next one. This one is my favorite among the product. Yes, this is the Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow. And I really like the pigmentation, the concept of it na, alam mo yun, one swipe, dab, and you're done. For 299 pesos, for me, this is really okay. Kasi kahit sabihin mo ganito siya ka-small, one swipe, cover na niya yung buong mata mo. So, it's a
yes! The last K-Beauty product from BLK is their lip tint. It's 249 pesos. Sabi niya sa akin yung in-advise niya ako na konti-konti lang kasi magkakay.
And also, it's buildable kasi. So, as you can see kanina, parang one ganon, build mo siya. And then if you're still not happy with the color, tsaka ka pa lang magdala.
How about the lips, babe? What can you say?
For the lips, I guess, for me, yung color na to, parang hindi siya nagko-complement sa skin ko. Well, for me but syempre, nasa nagdadala pa rin yan.
Sorry, I'll be honest. Kasi, hindi lang naman si BLK. Sobrang dami ko ng lip tints na tikman, na kain, na inom. And meron talaga silang certain taste eh. Alam mo, lip tint siya eh. So, BLK has that. Siguro dahil water taste siya.
So, for this one, we're actually separate answers na lahat. So, for me, it's a yes.
For me, it's a no. But, overall, for the K-Beauty kit ni BLK Cosmetics, is it a yes or a no?
It's a yes! Please suggest for you guys to really buy it and support local products.
So much love and saranghe for the BLK Cosmetics team. You really did a good job for the K-Beauty kit. Yay!
Yes!
Sobrang love ko yung tutorials na nasa box. Sobrang love ko yung packaging. Very, very Korean.
Yes, and so cute. This is the end of our video. I hope you guys liked our reviews. It's honest review talaga.
Sana nakatulong kami sa choices mo sa buhay. If you would still buy it, or if you're going to buy it, what color would be better for you? Kasi yun nga, Warren is fat and unfair skin. Like this video, comment down below,
Subscribe in our channel and click the notification bell. So don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. We post there every day. Our Facebook is /drugtips12. Our Instagram is @drug.routines.
That's all for today. We'll see you again next week. Bye! Mabilis lang yun.
na.